but they develop lot of leadership skills. Saad sir was also mentioning lot of leadership skills that are required, right? And by the end of the fellowship, you would be a leader who might be able to start your own organization. You would be working at a policy level. You would be working as a curriculum developer, right? So we are looking for people with leadership potential so that we can work on it for 2 years, and then you join these roles. Teach for India is a 15-year-old organization. We are also part of a global network called Teach for All. So there are 62 plus countries which are part of Teach for India, Teach for All network. So you get that network as well. One very important thing about this fellowship is our alumni network. As I mentioned, we are working for 15 years now, so we have more than 5,000 alumni currently working all across country and other countries as well. So it's my favorite dialogue. I always share this. आप कहीं पर भी पत्थर मारो, TFI alum मिल जाएगा. So one of my friends, Milind, if you watch Roadies, then you might have seen Milind there. He married this actress, Balika Vadhu actress. So he was a 2016 My Batch fellow. We did a project together. Then if you watch Shark Tank, you might have seen Aniket Devgar. He came with his organization, Hak Darshak. He bagged 1 crore rupees from Shark Tank. And Teach for India alumni start their own organizations. They work at multiple levels. You'll find them from grassroots level till policy level. So if you are interested in a career which will give you 2 P's, okay? One is purpose, other is paisa, okay? Yeah, so that's important. But since it's a fellowship model, our package is 4.54 lakhs that we provide during the fellowship, right? And post that, as I mentioned, the other roles that are available. When you finish the fellowship, we have career fairs, so you get 150 organizations all across country. They come with their jobs, and then you apply for a relevant role. Like for example, somebody is interested in starting their own school, they can become part of an incubation program. Somebody wants to work at as a program manager, project manager, so you get all these roles when you finish the fellowship. Yeah, that's basically about it. Why fellowships are very important. All of us study different subjects, but do you think that's very applicable in life? Yes, no, right? Yes, somebody's saying yes. What are you studying? Okay, yeah, that's more. I'm also a Paul Science graduate student, by the way. But the leadership skills, like planning, reflection, working with different stakeholders, all these leadership skills are developed by different fellowships. Teach for India is one. Sir was also mentioning other fellowships like Gandhi Fellowship, there is LAMP Fellowship, there is Mukherjee Fellowship, SBI Fellowship, right? All these fellowships, what they do, they will give you on-ground experience, develop the skills that are required for your career growth, and then you enter the job market as a staff member. You create those impacts, right? These are just few things. Our selection process, as sir mentioned, we are really selective. Like Harvard, actually we are really selective. We have 2-stage selection process. One is online application form with an English test, and there would be some essays that we ask you about your experiences during your college period. Once you clear that, then you move to the second stage. It's assessment center. There would be a group discussion, interview, a small facilitation activity. Once you clear these 2 stages, then you get selected. You can go to our website and apply. But as I mentioned,
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँ, हमारे वन ऑफ द गेस्ट आ चुके हैं, प्रोफेसर नौशाद अली PM साहब, और ये पहले